Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Gemini plans and what are the things to be aware of, primarily like the free one comparing to the paid ones, and what kind of difference you can get and kind of like if it's actually worth it. So with the Gemini, what is great for the free plan is that you're gonna have like access Gemini with daily limits on a premium features. So you're gonna have like 3 to 4 images generation a day with top model. And that's important. You're not going to have any video generation, 30,000 token context limit, 5 deep research reports per month, 25 visual layout responses per day, and 100 credits per month, as you can see right here, for Flow and Whisk. This is kind of like the experimental tools. And also, based on the demand, the limits are like fluctuating. So even the free is like really great because you can upload the images, you can upload the PDF files, it's going to read for you. So for example, with ChatGPT, I can't add images on a free account. So that's very good. Now then you're gonna have also the AI Plus. So this is like another thing that you can see here, where it's like very similar, but you're gonna find like 200 monthly AI credits. Also the Flow, Whisk, it's a little bit better. You're gonna have also like the Gemini in Chrome, like the early access is got like higher level, but you're gonna have also enhanced access to our Model 3 Pro, deep research, image generation with Nano Banana Pro. So even more things, and even like with this like $4 per 2 months is very good. Now then you can have also the Pro plan right here that you can see. So with the Pro plan, you're gonna have up to 100 image generation a day with the top model. So that's very good. Also, you're gonna have video generation with VO2 fast, 1 million token. So that's great too. Also 300 thinking model prompts a day, 20 deep research reports per day, 250 visuals layout responses a day, 1000 Flow Whisk credits per month. So a lot of like great stuff. You can have also 2 terabyte of total storage for Photos, Drive, and Gmail. So even that, so it's like in Pro, you're gonna get a lot of great stuff with Notebook, LM, Gemini in Gmail, Docs, Wits, and more. So this is something that great that you can actually like use it in the Google apps, and maybe you would kind of like it. But this is something that you're gonna have also in a Plus if you would like. So this is something like really great. And you can have also like scheduled actions for recurring prompts. So primarily like the free one is very fine for basic chatbot use. I use it. I don't even pay for Pro. I primarily use Cloud for like paying. But then you can have also the Google AI Ultra. So the Ultra plan is like up to 1000 image generation a day, access to VO2 with higher limits, 1500 thinking model prompts a day, 200 deep research reports per day. So that's like very good what you're actually like getting from it. Also 25,000 Flow Whisk credits, unlimited image and free, no watermarks on generated images, very important. YouTube Premium included, you see. Also 30 terabyte of total storage. So it's like Gemini is insane. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and good